Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. Today's weekly stamping collab was hosted by Pattie Mail, and these are the beautiful manicures that were prepared. Stay tuned to the end to see all the individual manicures. For my base, I have this gorgeous shy nail polish called Perfect Pink. I'll also be using the BeautyBigBang Stamping Plate XL-002. I apply my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat to seal in the design. I decided to add a few of these rhinestones to the other two nails. Here's the finished manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Don't forget to check the description box where I'll have links to everybody's video. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button.